Hey friends, what's up? And in this video I'm going to share with y'all a really good fertilizer for seedlings after transplanting them into cups. This here fertilizer is a growth stimulator. It will also help boost your immune system and make your seedlings resilient to unfavorable growing conditions. And it will assist the seedlings in recovering after transplantation. Because when you transplant your seedlings, you are always severing the roots. The seedling then simply remains there and doesn't grow. And to produce this fertilizer, we'll require amber acid, which is sold at the pharmacy. It's really cheap, and the effect it has on the seedlings at this stage of growth is better than that of the good ones. Amber acid with a dosage of 25 milligrams, and we will only need a total of 2 tablets. They are covered in a shell, so in order for them to dissolve more rapidly in water, we will require some kind of fabric material or similar substance. Let us twist these pills and crush them. I nailed one, missed the other. The more fine the powder is, the quicker it will dissolve. I will require a jar containing 1 liter of water. We are changing things up and we will have to wait until the amber acid completely dissolves. In about 20 minutes, the amber acid will completely dissolve. These are the remnants of the shell at our place. She doesn't dissolve well, but the amber acid itself has already dissolved completely. Let's mix it up a little more. I utilize a standard enema and fill it up completely. So in one day, I watered the little cups with water. A little bit. If the soil in your cups is moist, then we don't water. If it is dry, we definitely water it. And now I just do it like a regular watering process. But you gotta know the rules of application. First of all, it's not fertilizer, it's a growth stimulator. That is the reason why you can utilize it after fertilizing with fertilizers. And also, the interval between the repeated utilization of amber acid is 7 days. So if all of you feel like it, all of you can do this feeding thing once again. And most importantly, if you want to see a real quick effect from using amber acid, then ensure to add some fertilizer to the cups when transplanting your seedlings for optimal results. Or if you've already transplanted the seedlings, you can sprinkle organic fertilizers on top, mix them with the top layer of soil, and water them with amber acid. I already talked about what fertilizers to use in my previous videos. Come on over to my channel and take a look, and I'll also leave a link to this video in the top right corner. Therefore, we draw conclusions. If your seedlings are not growing well, despite the fact that you have added fertilizers underneath them, it indicates that the fertilizers in the cup are in an unsuitable form for nourishing your plants. And amber acid, it's exactly the industrial buzz that will help convert fertilizers in the soil into an easily accessible form for the root system of seedlings. And the seedlings start growing rapidly. So folks, definitely do this feeding. It won't harm the seedlings, but the effect from it will be highly significant. The seedlings will rapidly turn green, the leaves will get larger, and the seedlings will grow stronger. That's it for me. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next videos.